let's start. Okay, now you tell me, Aniza, what do you understand by the word classification? What do you mean by classification?
This classification is basically like classifying or grouping a group of things together.
And what is the advantage of classifying a group of things together?
So, Miss, we're given a lot of data. So, if we just like classify it into relevant groups and everything, it'll just be easier for us to
It
understand.
will be easier. Okay, very good. It will be easy for us to understand, and it will make your life easy. Otherwise, everything will be all mixed up, right? Acha. So, hence, since we are biology students, okay, so it is imperative for us to also classify all the different kinds of life that is on earth, every life, whether it is an animal or it is a human being or it is a tiny virus like COVID-19 or it is a bacterium or even a dengue virus, right? But we need to put things into their proper categories so that we can study them. And of course, nothing can be done in this world without being organized. So we have to even organize the list of living things, because if, let's say, if I want to study about viruses, if I want to study the nature about viruses, I want to study about human diseases, I will have to classify them, right? So classification makes the study and the research very easy and understandable also. So then when, you know, this thought came into scientists and biologists' mind, people came up with various ideas and they, you know, started classifying all the different kinds of life on the earth. So if I ask you, what would be the very broadest broadest category of everything, I think, okay, I'm not saying life, everything on this earth can be very broadly classified into what? How can everything be classified?
Living things and non-living things together.
Very good. Yes. And you have actually told me a way of classifying. You said living things and non-living things. So this is actually one of the most simplistic and primitive way to classify all what you find on this earth. Everything on this earth can be classified into living things and non-living things, right?
Yeah.
And then within living things, we can also further classify, and within non-living things, we can classify. So if being a biology student, if we want to classify everything on this earth, we would say that things can be classified in